Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the Big Bang, basically, but discovering the Big Bang is false. I discovered all the physics, especially, is wrong. So about the electron, again, J.J.Thomson, the electron does not exist. The electron, it is light. So I've told you, always when somebody discovers something, there's another guy put like by a demonic manner, to falsify this science. Okay, so this is what I believe. Maybe they don't have any fault, but they bite like they bite it like you go fish. You hook them. This J.J.Thomson, okay, so I'm telling you, the electron, it is light. It is light. So look, I got from some channels, and I saw you see a beam of light, and then you see there is electrons, a beam of light that is bending. You send it from a catod and it bends like this. So now you see that there is light, that it shines light and it emits light, and now you name it electrons because you are stupid, that's why. So look, J.J.Thomson, the big discoverer of lights of the electrons, died in 1914. 1914, okay, if you understand when they are going to trick you that the electron exists. Look.
To conduct experiments for these rays, Thomson set up a Crookes tube with the following components. A cathode and anode were placed at the starting end of the tube. Close to the other end of the tube were two oppositely charged electric plates at opposite ends of each other. A phosphor coating covered the far end of the tube so that it would light up upon the ray's contact with the glass. After testing different orientations with the electric plates, Thomson discovered that when the rays were fired, they would always bend towards the positively charged plate when it passed by it. Thomson repeated this test multiple times.
If you watch that, you know this. I have some grapes in my garden and I made a juice from them. If you know, in Romania we say must, like this, from grapes, okay, because this is the way I made the videos, if you know. So I've told you, you see light, it is in all the composition, you see color everywhere, and we cannot see light. This is where you are tricked to explain what is the so mysterious rays. You cannot see light. You see an object. You see light only this when it's concentrated, like white, like this. But although you do not see, you see through the air. You not see the vibration. You see an object at a distance, like this. You see. You see the object, the colors. You see the object, colors at distance. You see colors. You see. So now let me show it to you again. When he bends this beam of light like it is a laser. So what it is strange, because you have a cathode and anode, but if it is electromagnetism, electricity, electric and have energy and is magnetic, it is repulses by a pole and attracted by another pole. So what is so mystery, right? So he put some gases. You see why you are seeing light, because the gas is a matter. You see. It is matter. It is the light hits some objects. But if it does not hit something, you do not hear it. Okay. You see, like you are believing that the sound it is in descent, but only in the impact it is. You see, on the ways to do descent, you cannot hear. You see, so only in the impact on object you can see light. And it reflects, okay, but by the way you can in her way towards you cannot see it. So watch another part from J.J.Thomson, and then I'll finish the video.
Using different metals for the cathodes and anodes, as well as using different gases inside the tube to rule out those variables as contributing factors to the ray's behavior. They did show no effect on the ray's tendency to bend towards the positively charged plate, so Thomson concluded that the rays must have consisted of negatively charged particles that he called corpuscles. While this was a significant discovery, Thomson didn't stop there, for his work was not complete. He continued to repeat his experiments, but replaced the electric plates with a large electromagnetic magnet in such a way that the rays would pass between the two magnetic poles on their way through the tube. The rays bent with this setup as well, and after measuring the angles at which they bent from both electric plates and magnetic poles, Thomson was able to calculate the mass-to-charge ratio of these negatively charged particles. This ratio turned out to be extremely small, and through the math, he found that the size of these corpuscles were 1/2000th the size of a hydrogen atom. Thomson then shared his findings with the world, proposing corpuscles as incredibly small negatively charged subatomic particles that were found in all atoms.
So okay, this is the way to make the videos. From grapes from my garden, you see, I have a vineyard, I don't know how you are saying. So you cannot see light. So you emit only every kinds of beams of light. Light makes the composition of all the so the electron does not exist. They discovered the 7 strata, then exactly like the tones of color, different colors. You see, exactly light has these colors. The light makes the combination, and you cannot see it only when you see like this. So the electron, so you are believing that these guys were more calculated. So another thing that he lied, the mass. He calculated the mass. The electron does not have the light does not have mass, and the electron does not exist. It is a flow from a part to another part. And the light makes all kinds of flows. Okay, the light flows, and you can polarize it, you can charge it, you can magnetize it, has electricity, magnetism, and infinite. And it's an infinite field frequency. It makes all the combinations in Mendeleev. So the electron does not exist. It is light. And you can see the beam of light. If you are this imbecile, my friend, you can see a beam of light. Then you name it electrons. Goodbye. God bless.
Tube so that it would light up upon the ray's contact with the glass. After testing different orientations with the electric plates, Thomson discovered that when the rays were fired, they would always bend towards the positively charged plate when it passed by it. Thomson repeated this test multiple times,